Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today, as you can see, I have a whole bunch. This is gonna be a massive Amazon unboxing. I wasn't able to start my video last week, so this is gonna be almost 2 weeks worth, and man, it took forever to bring this into the house and rip off some of the labels. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably open up envelopes first, and then I'll open up boxes in the next video, okay? Alright, let's get started with the first one of reusable sandwich bags. So this one was a Facebook seller. I know I posted an ad in my previous video. So what I'm going to try to do now is I'll post some of the Facebook ads, because I think those are kind of like the easier ones for y'all to do. So I'll start with the Facebook ads first. And I'll try to remember which ones were Facebook ads and so on. This one was the seller. This one's actually off of Walmart. So some of these sellers, they want to get items and ratings at Walmart. So, well, this is one of them. It's just some stereo Bluetooth earphones. And it's a charging deck. It's truly wireless. I think it was only Bluetooth 4.2. But, you know, that's still good. Alright, this one's pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see in the wrapping, but I'll pick it out for you. So this was a Facebook seller, and they're just trying to get rid of a whole bunch of yarn. And so this is like, you know, those crafting yarn. You could do like friendship bracelets, and you know, that's why I got this for my my wife and daughters, so they can, you know, make some cool bracelets, I guess. Here's the heavy one, so let's see what this is. I did get about maybe 4 or 5 free ships this time, so hopefully it'll be something cool. Alright, so this one here is a Facebook ad. I think I did post this on my video 13, so if you watch my unboxing video number 13 and look in the comments or in the description, I linked some. But I'll try to post some ads, and I'll try to put like no review. So this is going to be a no review, but it's going to be a long return, because some sellers, you know, they're scared that the buyers would just return the item after they get paid, so they lose out money on the payment, right? So this one, they actually make you wait like almost 30 days. So, you know, I think it's worth the risk. So these are office chairs, as you can see. And I previously got an office chair from this other Smug Mug Facebook ad. I haven't put that one together yet. So I'll put these wheels on those. So this wheel is supposed to make it so that you could roll on the wood floors without harming it. They're kind of like roller blades, I guess. So we'll see how that goes. Ah, look at that. Button gummies. Yeah, this is a Facebook ad. I think I linked that. You know, vitamins are vitamins, right? Take them, take them, take them. Oh, nice. So this must be a free ship, because this time I didn't order this, but this is some Ivy grip tape. So these are like reusable, kind of little bit thick, kind of double-sided stick tape. And, you know, you can stick stuff onto the walls and stuff like that. And you can just wash it and reuse it. Cool. I got another one previously, but this one's a free ship. Man, I love these. So I hope you like the way I'm doing it right now of posting ads on the previous video, and then on this video you'll see some of the ad stuff opened in front of you, if that makes sense. So this is some charcoal activated charcoal toothpaste. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Facebook ad. I haven't really used these. I've gotten a couple of these, but I just haven't really used them yet. I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of iffy on how the charcoal would taste, but I'll try one soon just to try it out. Oh, look at this. This is a free ship. So these are some lift breast nipple covers. Yeah, that's gonna be for my wife. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? I believe this was a free ship too. Ooh, look at this. Has all this like white foam in it. So let me open this up a little bit more careful. I don't want to get this stuff all over the place. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I have to open it all the way. Oh. Sorry y'all, I'll have to open this slow. I don't want all this gobbledygook. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Oh man, what kind of packaging is this? Oh, look at that. Paper-like film for, I assume, iPad. Yeah, iPad. 10.5. So I think that's the newer iPads. Because the older ones were 9.7. Man, guess I'm going to have to get me an iPad, huh? Good excuse. Oh, they got two things in here. Obviously, there's a free ship. But this is a, look at that. iPhone, the new iPhone 11. So there's a clear case for it. Man. I'm gonna have to get me a new iPhone, iPad. If I get more viewers and likes and subscribers, then yeah, maybe I can get a new iPhone, huh? Alright, so here's a big one here. Oh, okay, I don't have to open a box. I can throw some of the stuff away. Dwelling with pride. Silicone bags, food. Okay, this is Facebook ad. I'm pretty sure I remember posting this. I remember the Dwelling. This is a whole bunch of bags, reusable, rewashable. And this came 2-gallon size and a smaller sandwich bag size. You know, I don't reuse those, but maybe I'll start using them. Just, you know, stop wasting plastic, I guess. That was a Facebook ad. Just look on my number 13 video. This is a Facebook seller. No, Facebook ad. Did I give this one to y'all? I hope so. Is there batteries? How cute is that, huh? I guess I'll throw the packaging away. Just instructions. But thank you. This is a pretty cool gift, right? Don't worry, I still got a whole bag full of bags to open. I'll have to get a box to throw all this in. This must be a free ship. Inspirational. Oh no, this is a keychain from a seller. It's just it's a keychain. It's something for my daughter that she could probably give to me. You know, something cute. Sorry, let me just find a box I can open so I can throw all this junk into it. Alright, here we go. It's a big box. And this time I did bring a knife. Yeah. This time I wasn't lazy. I went back to the car to grab my knife. Just trust me, I had to carry all these boxes from the car into the house, and then up the stairs into the room. So that was a good workout for me. And a lot of these boxes were kind of big. Not heavy, but just big. Oh yeah, this is a Facebook ad. I hope you picked up one of these, because this seller had 3 different items and he was just dumping them out. So as you can see, this is a helicopter drone. How cool is that? Look at that, man. Make sure there's nothing else in the box here. Okay. Dump all my packaging into there. Okay, so I didn't realize, but this is at least 720p. I mean, it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst, you know. I've seen some drones where the video is just beyond crappy. So this is usable. So I do have some double A's, so yeah. Oh man. So I hope y'all jumped on this very, very fast. I don't know how long that seller's gonna be able to keep giving these out for free, but they're for free. So some of these I don't have to open off camera because I didn't rip off my labels. So I'll just have to pretend that you're watching me ripping up. Okay, what we have here? Magnetic eyelashes. So this must be a free ship because I definitely did not order that. Magnetic eyelash set. Huh. I had some previous ones from a long time ago. I don't think my wife really liked using them too much. Oh, look at this. 2 free things. So this is Fine Sketch Tattoo Sense of Super Durability. So this is like maybe one of those, so you could tattoo your eyes? Your eyebrows? Oh man. I don't know if I would actually trust it to do myself at home. I would pay professional, but that's just me. Okay. Oh, this is a different bag here. What's this? Boop. Oh, okay. This seems familiar. A pink mirror. Okay, never mind. Because I remember this box, I think, what was it? Run box? I think last time it was a wallet. It was a pretty cool carbon fiber wallet. If you remember in my video, I believe number 13 too, even. Okay, so far it looks similar. Yeah, so just another wallet, carbon fiber wallet. All right. I haven't really used the other one. I was going to plan to kind of give it away to someone. Yeah, I wish I had more viewers, and then I could start doing like a giveaway, because I would give that back to somebody. Because I know a lot of people have old wallets, right? It's one of those things you just never really buy for yourself. But that would be cool to get a wallet, right? And that's a cool carbon fiber one. So this is some essential oils. So this is a seasonal blend. They have like fall, summer, winter. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little sick, so you'll hear me sniffling a lot. I did some nasal sprays and stuff just so I won't be totally congested. So I'm not sure what this one is, but the packaging is pretty heavy. Oh, okay, so this is a Facebook ad. I remember. Dead Sea Mud Mask, right? Yeah. Man, I hope I've been in frame this whole time. But yeah, Dead Sea Mud Mask. How cool is that? I don't know, a lot of people use those, but my wife will start using them, I guess. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of more random stuff. Before it used to be more towards electronics, but now it's just been, you know, all over the place. Ooh, what's this? Oh, nice. So this is a free ship. USB mood lighting for TV. Oh, cool. So I have something similar to this, but you know, you had to plug it into the wall. But this one, you plug into the TV. So I'll put that one to use. That's pretty cool. I might give it to one of my friends. I know she'll enjoy that. Cause she's got a TV in her room, and I bet she'll enjoy that type of mood lighting. I need one for my TV. Cause the previous one that I put up, it actually blew out. Okay, so this is obviously a free ship. Hopefully it's an iPhone XS. So it's a Galaxy S8. I don't have that, but I'll try to find someone to give to. How long is this video so far, huh? 12 minutes? Okay, that's not too bad, huh? I'll still cut this video short, and then I'll start another one. So we have two parts. Oh, so there's another free ship. It's a MacBook Pro charger, mid 2012. And I mean, not too many people still use those. But yeah, I try to find people who do have them and give them a free charger, because you know, you can always use a free charger. I do have a MacBook, but mine's a lot newer in 2012. I still haven't really edited too much of my videos in it, which I need to. So yeah, I get some better productions. So this is actually from last week, and this is a Facebook ad. These are some metal pencils. They look pretty cool in the ad, so I was like, yeah, why not? Oh wow. Okay. Taking a lot of time here to open it for y'all, but let's check it out. Look at that. Huh. Thought it gives you free refills too. Yeah, no refills. Look at that. Doesn't really feel like, oh no, it's actually real metal. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let me put that back in here. I thought the Facebook ad said 2 refills too with the pens. I guess not. Alright. Free's free though. Can't complain. And, oh, what is this? Looks like a 12 pack of, oh, okay, this Facebook ad is some knee-high socks. Huh. This one last week, so I don't have to make sure I got refunded for this. I don't really recall. But we shall see. Oh, sorry, this one's another hard packaging. Okay. So this was a Facebook ad. It's just a baby carrier. It folds down to like the square box, so you can put you know, baby stuff, diapers, creams, you know, put it all in like a carrier so that you can carry it around the house. We actually got some of this a long time ago for our kids. We didn't really use it as much as we thought we would. It just ended up collecting kind of like a catch-all type container where we just threw everything into it, like our remotes and all of our chargers, our cables. But you know, it's multi-use. You could use it for whatever you want. That was a Facebook ad, and I'm pretty sure I got refunded on that one. Okay, let me slow down here. So this is a cat dingle toy. Looks like just toys for a dog or a cat. I'm not really sure. It says dog and cat. I would think they each like their own type of stuff. Okay. Looks like a brush, huh? Okay, so it's a dog brush. Okay, look at that. That's a free ship. Bristles and then to catch your hair, huh? Okay. One of my close friends, her dog actually passed away, so I can't give it to her, but I guess I'll find someone else that has a dog. Actually, I do have another friend that has a dog, so I'll give it to them. Alright. Oh man, my hands are so dirty. So this is a fan lamp remote. Okay, so I purchased this because I wanted to be able to control my fan, turn on and off. Maybe I'll do a video of me putting it together, which I doubt, because who knows. But yeah, it's just a fan controller. Here's a very small envelope here. Oh, okay, so this is that body brush thing. Professional makeup foundation brush. Well, that's why it's small packaging, that's for sure. I've seen some where they give you a big old box for some small item. I'm glad they actually used a small one for that one. So this one, no, I ordered this. What is this? This is an external battery case. I don't really recall. I think maybe I did. Well, it's just a case. You can put whatever you want into it. A lot of my battery chargers are actually bigger than this, so I'm not really sure I'll find a use for this, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so there we go. Here's all the packages. So in my next video, I will open boxes, alright? We got a lot of boxes to go through. So yeah, catch me on the next video, alright? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you think is the coolest thing and what you would have wanted. For me, I think it's going to be the drone. And maybe I'll do unboxing of this later for you. But man, how cool is that? Alright? Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment below. And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, alright? And hit that bell notice. Okay? And again, in this video, just pay attention to the comments and the descriptions, and I'll start putting more ads for the next video, alright? So you'll see Facebook ads. Of course, all these, you'll have to pay money up front through Amazon if you have Amazon Prime. So this is for if you have Amazon Prime, you buy the item, it gets shipped to you in 2 days, and they, usually most of the time, they'll refund you as soon as the item ship. They have to, most of them will do PayPal. Some would do Amazon gift cards. Most of them would do PayPal. So make sure you have Amazon Prime. It's not a need, but you know you don't want to pay for shipping. And then and you also have to have PayPal, and that's where they send you the money, the refund to. All right. So make sure you have both of those, and start going through my comments and ads, and start clicking them through and subscribe, and you'll get these same items. This one is still active. I saw it recently, and some of my friends actually still got some. So make sure you subscribe as soon as possible and get one of these, alright? Yeah, see you on the next video. Peace.